Hey there, it's Connor here with Mountview Dodge. Today I'm here to show you the all-new Jeep Gladiator. Starting at the back, I'll open the tailgate here. So it is a 5-foot box. Almost 90% of all motorcycles here will fit in the Gladiator box. We have all new LED tail lighting. A nice feature that Jeep has put in their tailgates here, that they have a little clip that you can hook this cable on, and what it does, it actually gives you an extra 1.5 feet of box length. So from 5 feet to 6.5 feet. Let me just close this tailgate here. Walking around to the side, let you guys see it. In the back, we have folding rear seats. As you can see, that one's already up. Let me fold this one up here. It allows for a lot more under the seat storage. And here we have our bolt storage as well for our Freedom top. That way it's easy to keep your bolts secured and keep track of your bolts there. Let me put these down. There is a handle right here that pulls the seat down, as well as a key lock. So then you don't have to worry about when your top's down, people can't take a look back there to see if you have any valuables. Oh, phone just got stuck. So those are the Freedom top bolts there on the back part. Easy access with the seat down. Here in the center console, we have the window controls. Being that the doors come off, Jeep has moved the window controls to the center console, as well as the interior lights. They've been moved to the center bar there, so you don't have to worry about moving or having no lights when your Freedom top is off. Coming to the front here, we have our center console, top part here. I really like that design, actually. Open up the bottom, you have USB, deep storage, and here we have our cup holders. In the middle there you can see the little rectangular looking thing there. That's actually a phone storage. Here we have our window controls, just like the back doors. We have our hard button heated controls, as well as climate controls, and our Uconnect 4 with our 7-inch display. And up here we also have our universal garage door opener, which is great. You don't have to worry about programming or having 3 multiple garage door openers. For the Freedom top, it's nice and simple. You have these handles here that you undo, and one underneath this visor here. You pull the visor down and then grab the handle, nice and easy. And again, there's that. You got your cloth bucket seats here, manual options, door cards, also a little additional storage on top of the dash here, big enough to hold a phone. There's the door on the driver's side. You have your power locks, your power mirrors. Coming to the front here. So if you look at these tires here, this vehicle comes with 33-inch tires. You can actually put 35-inch tires in the Gladiator without a lift or any other upgrades. Although these might look like normal Wrangler wheels, they actually had to make the wheels stronger for towing. More interesting though, it's the grille here. This may look like your normal grille, but it really isn't. They had to open or widen the openings for better airflow for towing too. So the Gladiator has a different grille, which makes it quite unique here. Jeep has done an amazing job with their new Gladiator, and if you're skeptical, come on into Mountview Dodge and take one for a drive.